Fire blankets are essential safety devices used to extinguish small fires or to wrap around a person in the event of a fire. They're beneficial for smothering fires that cannot be quickly extinguished with water or a fire extinguisher. It consists of a sheet of fire retardant material placed over a fire to smother it. Small fire blankets, like those used in kitchens and around the home, are usually made of fiberglass or Kevlar and are folded into a quick release case for easy storage. The material used in fire blankets must be able to withstand high temperatures. Historically, these are made of asbestos for its heat-resistant properties, but this was stopped due to health risks. The two most common materials are fiberglass, due to its fire resistance and thermal insulation properties, and Kevlar, often used in larger, more industrial fire blankets for its heat resistance and strength. Fire blankets can be categorized based on their size and their use. Firstly, standard home use. These are typically smaller and ideal for kitchen fires or smaller electrical fires. The larger industrial use blankets. These are larger and used in settings like laboratories or industries where fires might occur. Finally, specialty fire blankets are designed for particular uses where it can quickly smother a fire without damaging equipment. Using a fire blanket properly is crucial for safety. Here's how to use one in the event of a fire. Pull the tabs. This will release the blanket from its protective casing. Hold the blanket with the shields towards the fire. Ensure your hands are protected from flames. Place it gently over the fire. Do not throw it, as this can increase airflow and worsen the fire. Once the fire is covered, leave the blanket in place until it's cooled to prevent reignition. Call the emergency services. If necessary, contact the fire brigade for assistance. Fire blankets are most effective on the following types of fire. Class F fires involving cooking oils and fats, such as chip pan fires. Class B fires involving flammable liquids like petrol, paint or spirits. Small Class A fires involving combustible materials like wood, paper or textiles. Fire blankets are simple yet effective firefighting tools suitable for a variety of environments, from homes to high-risk industries.